Hey guys, before this video starts, I just wanted to say that my GoPro died. So I caught 8 bass this day, but I don't think that all 8 bass got on camera. Nice bass. First bass of the day. Let's get a release on him. Okay, first bass. Let's get him in. Yeah.
That's a good size fish for me. Healthy fish.
Fish fat. What? Yeah. He's gonna try to hit him. What is it? Oh yeah, that's probably the female if it's on the bed. Oh yeah. Probably got eggs in it or something. Definitely. For sure. Okay, nice bass. If this was on a bed, it would probably be the female because of how fat it is. I don't know if those are eggs or not.
Oh really?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, the big catfish that I caught.
Oh yeah, it's fat.
Yeah, I don't know if that's eggs.
What else could it be?
But the big catfish that I caught in Huntsville, it had eggs. And it was fat like this. Oh, it's really useful. Real fat. Oh, frick, you were dead. No? I thought he was dead. What? It just ran